In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change language on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. So let's get started. And the first step, we need to get to the settings. And once you've done that, go to General. And then Language and Region will be taken to this page, where we can easily switch between languages in that list. I got English and Japanese here, and I can easily switch between them, so all we have to do in order to set language as our system language is just drag it to the very top. After a couple of seconds, the language will be set as the system language. You can check that by the translation of system. First of all, to begin, let me switch it back to English, and we'll continue. So guys, all we have to do in order. Then to add new language, and then search for French. In this way, I can just search for any language by their name. Then if we tap on it, it will ask us if we would like to use French or use English. If we tap Add Use English, the language will just be downloaded to the device. However, if we tap and use French, the language will also be set as the system language. Thanks for watching.